Crush paper painting. Children, let's learn to color with a crush paper painting. Follow the instructions to make your crush paper painting. Crush the paper. Unfold it. With the help of brush and watercolors, make a painting. Your crush paper painting is ready.